So here is the project. If I start, here it is. Here we have the cube. That the cube, if we use the keyboard, the up and down, left and right directional buttons, we rotate, and we see in the right, we can see the quaternion, the Euler principal angle, and the axis, and the Euler angles, and the rotation vector, and the matrix rotated. If I click this button, I preset the rotation of the cube to the initial position, the initial rotation, and here it is in the initial. Alright, so now I'm going to edit something in the quaternion, in the Euler principal angle axis, the Euler angles, in the rotation vector, and the rotation matrix, and we are going to see the rotation. For example, I go to quaternion and I put the, for example, the initial case 1 0 0 0, and here it is in the initial position. Alright, so now if I go to Euler principal angle and axis and I put 245 1, and then the axis could be 1 0 0, this is it. Here is the axis and the angle. Alright, if I go to the Euler angles, put 340 to 40 110, and here it is 340 to 40 110. Alright, and then if we put in the vector 0 1 0.5, here it is the rotation vector, and then if we go to the rotation matrix and we put 1, the identity matrix, for example, 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and here would be the identity matrix that is there, and we have all the time the first rotation. Alright, so that's it, the project. Now I'm going to see some script. I will stop and I'm going to go to the scripts, and I'm going to explain the rotation one. This is the cube. Here is the cube, the speed, here are reference to the transform of the cube. Okay, so we find the game object. If not, we create them, but I have created, so it's not necessary. Alright, we put the main transform position, the camera there, the initial camera position, and then with date, if we click the up arrow, we do this rotation here in the down, the left, the right, and if we click W and S, you can see, wait a minute, this movement. Alright, that cannot be used in the other, but if we do it, we move forward and move backwards. Alright, so if we keep going in the scripts, that is in the rotated. Alright, and here we rotate, that we are using the quaternion with the axis and the angle, and write that. Okay, we rotate. Then I have a lot of buttons to have the output of the rotation, that is here. We initialize and all of that. We get the cube and the current rotation of the quaternion, and here is how to put the quaternion, that we pass this quaternion and we equal to the transform per rotation. Alright, and if we go, for example, to the button of the rotation matrix, If we go to update, here it is. Matrix 4x4 rotation matrix is equal to matrix 4x4 rotation, and that's it. We get the quaternion, and we generate the matrix, and that's it. And for all of that, in the principal Euler angles, the rotation vector, the rotation matrix, we change the quaternion, that is the transformation of the cube, and that's it. And that's how here we have a camera that is looking some target, that is the cube, and something like that. And that's it. That would be our project of Mario and me, and that's it. Thank you.